What's up guys, welcome back to another video. I hope you're all enjoying your 9.00 jailbreak. Updated my other PS4 from 7.55 all the way to 9.00. So I was thinking of posting a tutorial on how to go ahead and update to 9.00. So if you guys are still out there and you still have to update, let me know in the comments. I will post that video for you guys. So as for this video guys, there is a new update for the PS4 9.00 jailbreak. Now when I say a new update, there is an update from Chendo Chap, the one who released the PS4 9.00 jailbreak, along with the team of developers who worked on it. And there's also a development from SG side who did improve the Webkit exploit. Now, 9.00 was already pretty stable, if you ask me, guys. If at all, there's only one or two errors, if at all. That's very rare. But now that stability has gone even higher, so now you have an even higher stability rate. So if you look over here, I'm on my PS4. We're gonna go and test this out and see what's new with the new update. So I'm going to go to settings. I'm going to go scroll all the way down to system. As you guys can see, I have updated to 9.00 right now, and I haven't jailbroken this just yet, and I'm going to go ahead and do it with the latest version that has been out. So guys, developer Kameleon did go ahead and update his host. We are now on version 4B. So I'm going to go ahead and fire that up, and I'm going to tell you what's new about it. So let's go and type this down first. I'm going to leave the links in the description, guys, as always. Go ahead and find the links over there. Okay, so once you go and fire it up, obviously it's going to go ahead and cache for the very first time. If it's not cached already, it will go to the process of caching, and then it's going to go ahead and start loading the exploit. So guys, keep your USBs ready as always. And honestly, I know a lot of people have been wondering about why, trying to find an easier way for the USB, guys, but honestly, it's just a small USB. You keep it next to your PS4 and plug it in for those few seconds and take it out and keep it there. It's just a plug and play kind of a jailbreak, like literally plug and play. Here we go. This is Kameleon 9.00 jailbreak version 4.0 B2. So he did add a lot of different things over here, like GoldHEN 2.0B, bin loader. So we have some payloads also enabled over here. In order to go ahead and load a payload, you do not have to jailbreak multiple times. So that is one of the updates over here. So once you go ahead and use the USB method once, you just have to use it once, and you don't have to do it again after that. There's GTA 5 mods enabled over here as well. And you also have some payload section 2 and section 1. So first things first, let's go and jailbreak this PS4 for the very first time. I'm gonna go and click on GoldHEN 2.0B. Okay, let's wait for it. Okay, there we go. Insert USB now. That's our cue. All right, USB's in. Perfect. That's exactly what we need. All right, let's go and click on OK now. And that's it, guys. You will get there's not a free system memory over here. That is completely fine. That's going to happen after a successful attempt. Click on OK and you're going to be back on this particular page. All right, and guys, once you're done with this, just remove the USB pen drive and keep it aside. A very important thing to note there. And guys, there is another very important thing to mention over here. When you're using the USB drive for the kernel exploit in this particular page, please don't have your PS4 controllers connected at the same time. It does damage the controller. I was wondering why my other controller was going down with battery. I think it messed up the battery in it. So please don't have your controllers plugged in charging while you're doing the exploit. Neither have any other hard drive. Just don't have anything plugged in when you're doing this particular jailbreak exploit. All right. Okay, guys. So another thing, once you have your jailbreak done for the very first time, and this only applies for the very first time. So I did get some comments asking, do I have to do this every single time? No, you do not have to do this. If you've recently updated and the first thing you do after a very first jailbreak is disable updates. So I'm going to go and run this payload, and I'm going to show you that I don't need the USB again just to run a payload. Just go and click this. So now with the recent update for version 4, you don't have to do that anymore. It's going to load it by itself without the USB. And there we go, guys. Disable updates is done. And every time you have a successful thing, you should be able to see that on the top left, but you'll get the system memory error. That is perfectly normal. And there we go. It's done. So you don't have to do this every single time. It's just for the very first time you jailbreak your PS4, you do this. And that's about it, guys. Now we are completely good to go. And this is basically the new update. So if you guys are using the older version, go ahead and delete your cookies and cache. Just go to settings and go to delete cookies, and then also delete and clear your website data. And then you'll be able to go ahead and cache the new version out. And that's about it. Alright guys, so that's about it for this video. It was a very quick update what I want to bring to you guys. So guys, I'm going to be starting releasing a lot of tutorials for 9.00. I'm talking about remote package installer, account activator, and all the different detailed things that's needed. I'm going to go and start posting videos about it. So stay tuned guys. If you haven't already subscribed, go and drop a subscribe. Drop a like, let me know in the comments what you're expecting the next tutorial to be immediately, and I will go ahead and prioritize accordingly. And if you haven't hit the bell notification guys, go ahead and do that as well so you'll know exactly when I drop a video. Well guys, I hope you're enjoying the PS4 9.00 stability of jailbreaking. No longer that crazy 7.55 headaches of waiting and waiting. So here we are guys, and we're good to go. I hope you're having a great weekend, and I will see you guys in the next video. Cheers and take care guys. Bye bye.